Hey everyone, Feuerex here with another tutorial. This time I want to show you how to create weapon holders and place weapons on the ground or table or anywhere. This tutorial serves for Arma Cold War Assault, Arma Armed Assault and Arma 2 and its expansions. For Arma 3, the game does the hard work for you and lets you create weapons and items in the editor. But all the previous titles only offer you boxes of ammo, so you needed weapon holders to make individual weapons on the ground. Okay, so a weapon holder is like a small box that is invisible. When you put some weapon in it, it shows the weapon in the game and it allows you to pick it up. The best way to create it is through a script that I'm gonna write for you. I suppose you could use triggers, but it's not always the best idea to use them for everything you are doing in the missions. If possible, stick to scripts. For Arma Cold War Assault, you'll need an object named imaginary, or anything else. I'll just use an imaginary object, so I decided this name is the best. Just name it and then use that name correctly. It can be an imaginary object or a table, a chair, it doesn't matter. Then open the script and use the following commands. First, we use the create vehicle command to make the weapon holder. I use the coordinates 0, 0 because we'll pick the right place later. This only creates the invisible box, so we'll add the weapon itself now. I will add an M16. Remember, you are adding it into a box, so use the command add weapon cargo. Note that this command has different settings than add weapon that is used for units. One weapon is enough. Also, don't forget the ammunition. We will use the add magazine cargo command for that. Remember, not all weapons in Cold War Assault have the same name as the weapons. I'll leave a link to a page with all weapon names in the description. Now just place the weapon holder where you want it to be. The best command to use is set pos, and we'll use the get pos to get the coordinates we need. Like this, and the script is ready to go. Launch just like any other script in the game, brackets, exets, question marks, script name .sqs. For Arma Armed Assault and Arma 2, the process is pretty much the same. There are only several differences, the main one being the difference between SQS and SQF scripts. It's better to use SQF scripts as they work better overall. SQS scripts should be considered Cold War Assault only. Luckily, the script isn't difficult at all, so the main difference here is that you need to end every command with a semicolon. So a new commands after it change look like this. And it's pretty much the same thing, only with several semicolons in there. Of course, you will also need to change the name of the weapon and its magazines. I'll leave a bunch of links in the video description. You can find all weapons and magazines there. Arma Armed Assault, Arma 2 and its expansions. If you are experiencing problems with weapons not being loaded, add the magazine first and then the weapon. Right, so that's about it. You can now make weapons appear anywhere on the map. If you need more weapons to appear, use one weapon holder for one weapon. This way it's always safer. Also remember that if you add magazines in Arma 2, they appear around the weapon, not inside. The whole process works even in Arma 3, with the only difference being that the weapon holder is now called ground weapon holder, and there are new weapons and all. Okay, I think that's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching, comment, like and share, and have a nice day!